He's coming after you. Go get it, got it. Go get it.
Run with it. Run. Run, my child.
He's trying to put it in the hole.
Walk to the touchdown, man.
He don't want you to take the ball.
My life, I see a seat. Walk back.
He doesn't want you to be in his vicinity.
What?
He doesn't want you to be in his vicinity around him.
See that? Thanks for the ball, Shama. What should go back? Back. Shama. Oh, no, Shama. No, Shama.
All right, all right.